Hi friends, welcome to Keke Kutti's channel. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful aloe vera fenugreek hair growth oil that is an amazing home remedy for thinning hair. This oil does wonders to our hair if used regularly. It strengthens and nourishes the hair follicles, treats dryness and split ends, and also prevents scalp infections. With regular use, it will help thicken our hair along with making it soft and super shiny. This oil requires only 3 ingredients, but the method of making this hair oil is quite different. And we use double boiler method, so the oil retains all the wonderful goodness of aloe vera and fenugreek. Aloe vera and fenugreek is fairly easy to find, and we need to use fresh aloe gel for preparing this oil. To harvest aloe plant for gel, remove 2 leaves at a time and choose thick leaves from the outer sections of the plant. Ensure the leaves are healthy and free of any mold or damage. Cut them close to the stem. Most of the beneficial nutrients are found at the base of the leaves, and avoid the roots. So here our leaf is ready. Wash and dry the leaves and trim the prickly edges with a knife. Using a knife, cut the leaf in the middle part and separate the interior gel. Scrape out the inner gel into a cup and mash the gel lightly. The fresh aloe gel is ready, and it contains proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. And let's preparing the fenugreek powder. Take them into a jar and grind them into a fine powder. Here I am taking 1 cup unrefined organic coconut oil, half cup fresh aloe gel, and 1/4 cup fenugreek seed powder. Now I am taking all ingredients into a bowl. In this double boiler method, we have to cook it for long durations of time, and constant monitoring is required. Mix all ingredients together. Now place it over a bowl of gently boiling water. The water should not touch the top bowl, and the water should be boiling only gently. Keep the flame on low so the water boils gently. Heat the oil like this for 1.5 hours. Check the water level every 20 minutes or so and top it up as necessary. This is the only thing we should keep monitoring while making this oil. Continue heating this mixture only in low flame the entire 1.5 hour. This method ensures that the oil retains all the wonderful benefits of aloe and fenugreek. After 1.5 hours, the oil would have very slightly changed color and the aloe vera gel would have cooked thoroughly. If these are not completely cooked through, the oil will turn rancid very quickly. Now let cool completely and strain through a clean filter. Your wonderful aloe vera fenugreek hair growth oil is ready. Pour this oil in a glass container and leave it aside for a day. Any remaining aloe vera extract will settle at the bottom. Just strain the top clear oil alone. Store it in a glass container and keep it at a dry and clean place. This truly is a magic hair growth oil. You can use this twice in a week. If you couldn't face the smell of this oil, you can add 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil. To use, take a little bit of the oil and massage your scalp gently for 5 minutes. Within a week of regular application, hair fall will stop, and within 9 weeks of regular use, you will see a good difference in hair growth and in the texture of your hair. Your hair will be soft and shiny, and with regular use, your hair will be thicker and stronger. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.